Hello everyone, welcome to Abhi Pravi. In this Python Cash course, you're going to see about the Python tutorial. And today's tutorial, we're going to cover about the basics of the Python programming language. And first, we just started with the print function in Python, and this is the basic. So, the print syntax is going to be used. This is the syntax. Okay. After that, you're able to see that the braces. Okay, you're able to see that braces. I just rounded it, and in the braces, you're able to see the open bracket and close bracket, and within the open bracket and close bracket you're able to see the single quotes, or either some other programmers can either use the double quotes. So we can use either single quotes or double quotes to program. Okay, so the quotes is not about the matter. The text within the quotes is the matter here. So the text within the codes will be printed as it is, and it can be used for as the output. Okay. Okay. At next we just I just showed that the braces are displayed as it is. That you can able to see the input function. The input function is used to get the input from the user, isn't it? So in this input function, you need to give a label, isn't it? So L A B L E. So this label is going to be used for the value, isn't it? So whenever we give the input function in the input, it just stored in a box. Okay. So the value is stored in a box. Just right now, you just remember this. After that, the value which is stored in box, we cannot able to access later. For that we need to give a is equal to input. For that we just giving the address. Okay, so we're just giving the address of this box. So the input value will be stored to any such box. Okay, so there are so many box here. So the input value can randomly pick on box. Okay, so but when we give name to this box like a, okay, and b, c, so okay, we just assume that name to the box, and now we just give a is equal to input. Now the input will be go to this a box, and we can able to identify, oh okay, the input will be assumed in the a box. We can able to call this input through the a box. Okay, just can do that thing. And after that, you see the example code right here. Okay, so in this example code you can able to see a is equal to input. So the a box will be allocated, sorry, the a box will be allocated, and whenever the input function call, the input value will be stored to the a. I just give you the input as abiprevi, and the abiprevi will be stored to the a box. Okay, just the name of the box will be a, and after that I'm just printing the a. So after that the a value will be called as here. The variables in Python, so I already told that the address, so this is the variable assumption. So we just assuming creating a box for addressing the variable here. After that what I'm going to do is equal to 10. So I'm just assigning 10 to some box. Okay, and that box would be some address, so that address will be 10. Okay, yeah, a is a box and b is a, so this is the variable. So this variable is going to be assigned to this address, so that is the use of the assignment operator. So assigning the variables. Okay, so this equal to is a assignment operator. Okay, equal to is an assignment operator. So that's why we are assigning one value to some value through the one operator, which is called as an equal to operator, and the equal to operator is an assignment operator. You can able to see the variables in Python. So demo program, yeah, I'm using a is equal to 10, and you're able to see that the a box will be created, and I'm just printing the value of a, and I'm just run the code. You can able to see that the return is printed successfully. You can see the error bar. So I'm going to explain this code. For that I'm just going to Python variables getting input. So I'm just changing as input. Okay, so after that the box a box will be allocated without any values. When it just asks the input, I type as input. After I just type input, input will be stored to a, and then it will be called in Python programming language. So there are so much operators which was used in Python. It's called addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so first four operators you already know that you are using in mathematics, and after that is a modulus operator using shows the remainder. So remind, make a notes of it. Modulus operator is going to be used as remainder, and one new operator called floor division operator. So for example, when we divide 3 by 2, we get the value 1.5. When we floor divide 3 and 2, we get 1. So why we get 1? So in floor division, it does not allows the floating point numbers. The floating point numbers will not be allowed in that floor division. So for that, we are just using the floor divide. So when we want only the integer values, so when we want only the natural numbers, not the floating point numbers, so for that time we can able to use the floor division. So just cuts the floating point number. Okay. And new operator called the power operator. Power operator comes with the double star. Okay, double star operator, it comes with power operator. And what is the use of power operator means? The use of power operator is used to show the power of some values. For example, we have a power operator. In the left side of the power operator, we're going to use the base value. Okay, so the base value will be 2 and the power value will be 2. So power operator gives the power of these two values. Okay, the two values, the base value is 2 and power value is 2. So what, how will it be written? It will be written as 2 power 2, and this answer will be 4. Okay, a demo program, we are able to see that assuming a is equal to 10. Okay, after that what are they doing? They are doing b is equal to 20, and just they are printing as a plus b. They're just printing as a plus b. Okay, a and b. So they're assuming a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. They're printing a and b, and comma a plus b. We're able to see that a plus b is showing a plus b. And what are they just doing? They're just doing as the subtraction, just changing the symbols as to subtraction. And after that, you're going to be able to see that the, for just copying and pasting, for multiply, divide, modulus, floor divide, and the power operator. I'm just changing the symbols also. Okay, after that what I'm going to do is floor divide and the plus operator, modulus operator also showing. Divide and double star and the power operator. Oh, you're able to see that the output is showing perfectly without any of the errors, and the program has been executed successfully.